Today's control is ISM-2001, and it sets the tone from the top. It says your board must actively champion a positive cybersecurity culture across the organization. What does that mean in practice? It's not just about sending out a policy or running a once-a-year awareness day. It's about leadership walking the talk, from the CEO down. Let's put it this way. You can't build a security-first culture if your exec team uses weak passwords or skips MFA. That's like telling staff to wear helmets while riding without one yourself. In one IRAP assessment, I saw strong policies, but the tone from the top was indifferent. Result? The security culture on the ground was non-existent. So here's the move. Ask yourself, does your board lead by example when it comes to cyber? Because if they don't, the rest of the org won't either. And that's exactly what ISM 2001 is trying to fix.